So I broke my second set of steering hub blocks for my Arma Typhon 3S, and I figured it's time to upgrade to those bad boys there. Other than that, first you want to remove the 2.5 millimeter screw at the top and one located at the bottom. Next, you want to remove the 2 millimeter button heads here, here, and here, and here. So after you pull those 2 millimeter button heads, your hubs and shafts will pull right out. I don't know if it's just me, but for some reason I broke the left side both times. Let me know in the comments if you had a similar issue. So next you want to take the set screw out right here, and then you can remove the axles and pop out the inner bearing. So after you pop out your bearings, they'll probably look something like this. You want to take this opportunity to clean them and re-lube them before you reinstall them in the new carriers. So after you get your bearings all cleaned and lubed, you want to go ahead and install them in your new carrier. Like so. Just pop them in. And you can install your axle. Like so. Take care of your outside axle with your freshly cleaned and lubed bearings, and go ahead and slide those bad boys in. Wow, they're splined. Okay. Alright, so after you've installed your axle shafts, you can go ahead and pop these assemblies back in the truck. Make sure you notate left and right. Alright, pop that bad boy in there. Slide. So after you install your axle shaft assemblies, you want to go ahead and reinstall your upper turnbuckles with the 2 millimeter that you pulled out, button head that you pulled out before. Like so. And so. Come on. There you go. Sweet molasses. And after that, then there you go, the finished installed product. Throw some tires on this thing and see how it does.